Hello guys, welcome to the MarketingBot explainer video. Today in this video I will explain you how to set up one-time notification postback manager. Now OTN is an advanced messaging feature which helps you to send promotional messages to your users who have chatted with you and given you the permission to send OTN or follow-up messages. You have 24-hour window, and in this window you can send as many as promotional messages to the users, but remember, please do not spam them. As it is a feature given by Facebook, we have to use it smartly. Now to enable OTN, you need to first understand how it works or how to enable it. So first go to your Facebook page settings, find advanced messaging. Now scroll down to request feature section. Okay, now as I've already enabled it, but for you a request option will be here. You need to click on it and confirm it, and it will be done. So now you got the idea. Let's see how to set up OTN. So go to MarketingBot, click on postback manager action button. Write the template name, click on create new template button, write the template name, choose a page for which you want to create the postback template and select the postback type, keep it on parent. Your postback ID will automatically get created. You can change it to your preference as well. Choose a label if you want to. You can create a label as well from here. Now choose a sequence campaign to deliver your message. If you have not created any sequence, you can create it from bot settings. I have showed you earlier how to do it. Now choose your reply type. You can select the reply type from this list according to your choice. Now type your reply. You can include first and last name and can insert emoji as well. You can add more replies for further chat. Then save it. Here you can see your postback template has been created. Now we'll move on to OTN postback manager. Click on actions text and on the drop down select manage templates. Click on create new OTN template button. Give a name to your template. Select a reply postback which you have already created in postback manager earlier, or else you can create new template from here as well. Create a postback ID. Create a postback ID. Choose a label if you want to. Now choose a sequence campaign to deliver your message. Now and save it, and your OTN has been set now. Now to broadcast this OTN, you need to create an OTN campaign, and to create you need to go to broadcasting and click here. Click on create campaign button. Give your campaign a name. Select the page for which you want to create this campaign. Now select the OTN template which you have created earlier. You can add more than one template. Now select your targeting options which are based on labels. You can include and exclude label which are basically a segmentation of your chatbot list or users. Then based on gender, time zone and locale. Now create your message by selecting message type from the list and typing your message. You can schedule it as well according to your choice of time. Remember, your page should have subscriber to send this campaign. As I am clicking on create campaign button, showing me a warning that page does not have any subscriber to send message. So your page should have subscriber to send this campaign. Okay guys, thanks for watching.